How to find and see seller handbook on Etsy. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to etsy.com and log into your account. This is the home page. Now go down here all the way down until you find this seller handbook. Now here is it right here. Click on it, and as you can see right here, you will find many categories. Choose the one that you want. For example, growth strategies. Click on it like this, and now as you can see right here, you will find growth strategies easily from here. Choose any of these to read. Now you can read all those things, and yeah, that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.